Steve Bannon at a Roy Moore rally Monday night in Midland City, Alabama. Bryn Anderson, Associated Press. Stephen K. Bannon made millions of dollars as a Hollywood producer and Wall Street banker, but casts himself as a guardian of blue-collar America now that he leads the right-wing Breitbart News. That's no easy balancing act, and Bannon stumbled badly at the closing rally of Republican Roy Moore's Senate campaign in Alabama. Bannon, former chief strategist for President Trump, told Moore supporters Monday night that MSNBC anchor Joe Scarborough had called me a Yankee the other day, just because I'm from Richmond, Virginia, the capital of the Confederacy. That's right, Joe, I got into some Yankee schools, Georgetown and Harvard, that I don't think you made the cut on, brother. Just because a Southerner went to a Yankee school, Joe, doesn't make you a Yankee. Oops. It turns out that Scarborough, like Moore, is a graduate of the University of Alabama, deeply beloved by many Moore supporters. The Morning Joe host, a Georgia native, had a field day on Twitter as he mocked Bannon, a former Goldman Sachs executive who lived for years in Santa Monica, that liberal enclave